Is your YouTube Shorts feed looking more like a broken record than a source of endless entertainment? First, let's try the classic force closing and reopening the YouTube app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or double tap the home button to reveal all your open apps. Then swipe the YouTube app away to close it, and finally, tap the YouTube icon to relaunch it. Next, make sure you're running the latest version of the YouTube app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube, and if there's an update button, tap it to install the newest version. Outdated apps can often cause glitches. If updating didn't do the trick, let's clear the app's cache. Navigate to your phone settings, then find the Applications or Apps section. From there, locate YouTube in the list of installed apps and tap on it, then tap on Storage, and finally tap Clear Cache. Don't worry, this won't delete any of your personal data. A shaky internet connection is a common culprit, so run a quick speed test to make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better than the other. Still having problems? Try restarting your phone. It's a simple solution that can often fix a multitude of tech issues. Just press and hold the power button, then select Restart or Power Off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Hopefully, one of these quick fixes has got your YouTube Shorts scrolling smoothly again. If you're still having trouble, consider reporting the issue directly to YouTube through the app's feedback feature.